what, 10 minutes? Not even. Took me longer to throw straps on it than to load it, as you saw. Put 2 straps on it, one holding against the back, one holding against the front, because the straps that I have, these ones that I have, the ratcheting ones, aren't long enough to go all the way around the big box, so I just wouldn't cross them on it. Hold it in place. I've got it strapped towards the tail because it's only one skid, so try and make it easy on those guys to get it off the truck. And we're on our way to New York. CHEEKTOWAGA, New York, here we come. So let me get out of here, get down the road. Looks like it's going to start raining, which is good. I've got almost a full entire shift to get up there. Like, it's 900 miles, so I'm going to get 80% of the way. And the wife will just have about 20% to do, which is perfect. You know, I'll knock out 90% of this run and we'll be good. It'll be good. And then we have another one after this, so it's going to be another long run. But that doesn't pick up till Friday. So we'll be sitting Thursday, but that's fine. We got a little bit of deadhead to get to it, but it's a lift gate load, so they kind of need our truck to go get it because we've got a lift gate. So it's the perks of having one. If you're in an area, they'll deadhead you quite a bit of distance just to get one. So you'll see more about that on the next one. Appreciate you all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out with your friends. And let's get this party started. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to bed. I've been up since 4:30 this morning. It's now midnight. And I'm back in the bunk, as you can see. When you're in a big truck and you drive teams and you got a big sleeper, you develop the art of walking while vehicles are in motion. It's like being on a boat. Same thing. You kind of got to go with the flow, the lean of the truck. But anyways, I'm going to bed. I'll see you in CHEEKTOWAGA, New York tomorrow morning after I get some sleep. So, deuces. Good morning. We are in Buffalo, New York. I-90 eastbound. Coming into CHEEKTOWAGA to drop this load off, which is technically Buffalo. But we are about 5 miles away. Oops, sorry. Wife's trying to see out the mirror and I'm over here trying to block shit. There you go. Alright, we're about 5 miles away. We'll go kick this load off and we'll head over to go pick up our next load, which you'll see about that in the next video. I got some editing to do today. I've got like 3 videos in the bank that I gotta edit. Maybe the wife will help. And we'll get it kicked off, so, and we'll get them posted. We don't post, again, I've said this before, but we don't post every day. As you can tell, we post per load. It's just easier for us that way. It doesn't feel as monotonous. And of course, we've done this load twice in a week, so that can be kind of monotonous for some, but for us, it's all right. Anyways, let's get there. Let's get this kicked off and finish our day out. end of this one. We were in the dock a total of 6 minutes. That's all it takes. One skid off, roll landing gear up, lock the doors, and we're done. I gotta go shut them right now, and we'll call it a day on this one. Thanks for coming for a ride with us. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out, and we'll see you on our next load. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Again, I'm rambling at this point. I'm still tired. We'll see you on the next one.